Meaning of exorbitantly.
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 Exorbitantly. The word exorbitantly means excessively, unreasonably, or unsustainably high. When something is priced exorbitantly, it is significantly more expensive than its actual value or worth. This can lead to individuals being unable or unwilling to purchase the item or service. Exorbitant prices can also result in social and economic inequalities, as they can be prohibitive for individuals with limited financial resources. In extreme cases, exorbitant pricing practices can lead to market inefficiencies and even unethical behavior by businesses seeking to maximize their profits at the expense of consumers.